Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you the basic key functions of BMW X5. This model is 2012. Okay, let's go. Press and hold unlock button to roll windows down. Now you just keep holding it to open sunroof. Just like in the video. Okay, now we press the lock button to roll windows up. And the same thing for sunroof. You just keep holding lock button. We also have a mechanical key, in case if something happens with doors off or if battery died. Hope you guys liked the video, make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.